Hello, my name is Anthony Lewis, and today I will be giving a handwritten lesson on how to put a quadratic formula in factored form. Okay, first let's look at the problem. Sorry if you can't see, that might be a little blurry. 4x squared plus negative 8x equals negative 12. Now, before we even begin to factor, we have to establish that, okay, let's say 4x squared is A, negative 8x is B, and C is negative 12. Now, before you get to the factoring part, you have to find B. B is negative 8, of course, so we put negative 8 right here. B equals negative 8. Then we have to multiply A and C. So A, as you can see, is 4, and C, as you can see, is negative 12. Now, 4 times negative 12 equals negative 48, as we know. So AC, A times C, write that down as negative 48. Now, we need two numbers that can add together to equal B and can multiply together to equal AC. B being negative 8, AC being negative 48. So, as you know, negative 12 and 4 are the perfect candidates because 4 plus 8 equals negative 8, and negative 12 times 4 equals negative 48. So after you find that, which is the whole key of this first part, negative 12 and 4, you break down the problem accordingly. You drag the problem down, and you write 4x squared minus 12x, being the 12x that you just discovered being one of the factors. And then you write plus 4x, the 4x being another one of the factors you found, and then minus 12. Now, around the first part of the problem, 4x2 minus 12x, you should put parentheses around that part. And then the second part of the problem, 4x minus 12, put parentheses around that also. Now, you have to divide the two parenthesized equations so that they come out equal. As you see over here, this 4x is squared, and over there the 4x isn't squared, and the negative 12x is over here, and then there is no 12x over there. It's just 12, negative 12. So you will divide the first part by 2x. That will turn the 4 into 2 and get rid of the second x we don't need, so it'll only be 1. And then that will turn the negative 12 into a negative 6 and get rid of the x. On the other side, you just divide it by 2 to get the similar result. You turn the 4 into a 2 and the negative 12 into a negative 6. Then you drag that problem over here, and then you'll get 2x minus 6 on one side, and then 2x minus 6 on the other. Hold on, I made a mistake. That 12 right there, negative 2x, I meant 2x minus 12 is supposed to be 6 because I divided it by 2. Sorry about that. And then now you bring that down and you turn one of the parentheses into the two numbers you used to divide each side by before. So the 2x, so it'll be 2x plus 2. So this parenthesis should be 2x plus 2, and the other one should be one of the parentheses you did up here, being 2x minus 6. Sorry, I messed up there. It's supposed to be 2x minus 6. And at this point, you have put your quadratic formula, 4x2 plus negative 8x minus 12, in factored form. There you go.